the reason I ended it there is because it was coming up to the limit for that video. So this is going to be a part 2 of trains at Stafford on the West Coast Main Line. Everything is still how it was, okay? It was coming up to the limit of filming that I had. So it was going to split up in 2. And I didn't really want that, so I decided to do it on my own accord. Yeah, so sorry about that. Just, yeah, part 2. So that was part 1. Hope you enjoyed that. If you enjoyed part 1, don't forget to like part 1, share part 1, and subscribe to the channel. To kick off part 2, like the moving train to kick off part 2, is going to be Pendolino, going to Scotland from London. I think this might be to Edinburgh. I think this is an Edinburgh train. Where the hell is that plane? I can hear a plane somewhere. I don't know if you guys can hear it as well. Oh, something going through here as well. Actually, this might be London to... This is London to Blackpool. I'm certain this is London to Blackpool. 39138. Stopping at a red light, it looks like. Red signal. Ooh! I'll have some of this. I'll have some of this. Oh, yes. Yes, please. 57307. Whoa, yes. You beauty. I don't care about the Pendolino. Honestly. Oh, let me get another Pendolino. Yeah, there he goes. 138. Decent. He's got a name tag as well. I'll get that. There's another Avanti Pendolino coming up as well. Oh, that's not taking any questions. Oh, I missed it. I missed that. I missed it. It was 138. You can tell me in the comments what the name tag is, because I forget. No, I just didn't see it. This is a Manchester bound service, I think. I'm pretty certain that Pendolino was actually the other one there was to Blackpool. Yeah, that was going Blackpool. Yeah, certain that's the Blackpool North, in case you're wondering. This is 39010. So then, yeah, that was to Blackpool. This is to Manchester, and that. Oh no, I can't do this. No, hang on. I have no idea where that 57 was going, or from. He's off. I still don't have a clue where the 57 was going. Not a clue. The only thing I know about him is that he was gorgeous. I mean, I don't even know the number anymore. I've gone and forgotten it, haven't I? Right, I'm not missing this. Cumbrian Spirit. One thing I find weird about Stafford train station is that there is no platform 2 that I know of. There's a line that goes in that, if I turn around, you might just be able to see it down there. and the end of platform 1. That fence in there, I think there is a line that goes in there. Maybe that might have been platform 2, but isn't platform 2 anymore. I don't know. Let me know down in the description, because I can't see any platform 2 here. Would that have been platform 2? Let me know. Okay, so now coming in is the slightly delayed 1357 London North Western Railway service from Birmingham New Street to Crewe. £352.57. Pretty sure we've already seen him in this. Maybe in part 1 we might have seen it. I can't remember. I doubt it. Although, how long is it from here to Birmingham? I don't know. Caught me off guard, this did. 391.18. Yeah, 391.18 has just caught me unawares, as 352.57 departs with the 1357 service to Crewe. 1357. 352.57 with the 1357. Yeah, that didn't really land, did it? No, didn't land. Nah, just nah. Yeah, I should have just said 1357 service to Crewe. 350. Yeah. And just in case you wanted to know, that Pendolino was from north of the border. What part? From the west. Glasgow Central. He's going to London. Well, hey. Yeah, I should have just said he's going from yeah, don't matter. Yeah. I'm going to make a what is it? I'm going to make an assumption here. I assume, having just looked at real-time trains, that the 57 that went past was late running from Crewe Bass Hall to Bescott Up Engineers Sidings. That's what I think he was doing. He was a late running, sir. That's why I didn't know who he was. Yeah, I'm pretty certain he wasn't. Helicopter, what are you? Helicopter. An helicopter. We'll look on flight radar and see what... No. Can you see him? You probably can. Probably not through the 10. Because I remember that you guys aren't X-rays. Yeah, there he goes. Yeah. Okay, so now arriving is the 1412 London North Western Railway service from Liverpool Lime Street to Birmingham New Street. £354.01 leads him in. Even that was a tongue twister for me. Leads him in. Well done, cracked it. 402 on the rear. Okay, it looks like 401 and 402 are now off. Okay, and concluding everything is going to be an Avanti West Coast 221 Super Voyager, 2 of them from Chester to London. Two to 102 and 107, both in the new Avanti West Coast livery. Looks very nice in the Super Voyagers. Yeah, and as he heads off, and as he carries on down to the city of London, Euston. I could just call it London Euston, to be honest. I'm going to leave everything there. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I do appreciate all the views. If you enjoyed this video, don't give it a like, share and subscribe. Leave a comment, and if you dislike, please tell me why and how I can improve. Yeah, I'm sorry that this video isn't as long as part 1, but there isn't really that much freight path, and everything that I'll film in this, like London North Western Railway wise, I'm probably gonna have already seen it. I probably am gonna end up filming the same trains twice, especially for London North Western. And then if I stay here even longer, then I'll end up filming this, maybe the same Avanti services and all that, which I don't really want to do. But yeah, I've enjoyed my stay here at Stafford, and Stafford is absolutely phenomenal as a station. Let me tell you, you know what though, this could quite easily be my second favourite station, obviously behind Lichfield Trent Valley. I nearly called it Liverpool Trent Valley then. Yeah, I've never seen the Liverpool in Trent Valley. There probably is one, but no, I don't know. Yeah, absolute phenomenal station. I seriously recommend you come down or come up or come across, wherever you are in the country. If you're up north, you come down. If you're down south, you come up. If you're in the east or west, you go west or go east, whatever. To Stafford, I recommend you try and do it. Save up your money, come up to Stafford. Save up your money for your petrol for the car if you drive down, for the train fares, whatever. Absolutely phenomenal station. Seriously, come down here. The freight I've had today, especially in part 1, was absolutely brilliant. Part 2, the 57, just the highlight of the day for me is the 57. I just did not expect to see that. That was just wow. He went past me, just opened. I think he opened it up as well. Just yeah, brilliant. Right then. Next up for this YouTube channel, if all goes to plan, on Monday. On Monday, I will be off. Hopefully, be off to Derby on the Midland Main Line, where hopefully we'll see plenty of services from Cross Country, East Midlands Railway. Do Northern go to Derby? I don't think Northern do go to Derby, do they? So I don't know about Northern. Well, they go Nottingham, so surely they go to Derby. I think Northern do go to Derby, alright. I don't think we'll see any from where we're standing. And maybe we might get a little bit of freight there. I don't think the freight will be as busy as it has been here. If it is, well, if it is as busy or busier than it has been here, then I'll be more than happy. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Like, share, subscribe, all that. And until Monday, hopefully, I'll see us all later. Goodbye.